Chapter 2, Windows 10. 1. Write some features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is a popular operating system developed by Microsoft. It has a user-friendly interface with a start menu that combines tiles and apps. It supports multitasking using features like Task View and virtual desktops. Windows 10 includes Cortana, a digital assistant, and Microsoft Edge for web browsing. It also provides better security through Windows Defender and regular updates, making it fast, safe, and easy to use. 2. Explain any 5 icons present at desktop. The desktop contains icons that help users access programs and files easily. This PC allows users to view drives and folders. Recycle Bin stores deleted files temporarily and allows users to restore them if needed. Icons make it easy to identify and open items quickly. 3. How can you add an app to the Start menu? To add an app to the Start menu in Windows 10, click on the Start button and open the All Apps list. Find the app you want to add, right-click on it, and select Pin to Start. The app will appear as a tile on the Start menu. This helps in quick access to frequently used applications. 4. What is the difference between icon and shortcut? An icon is a small picture that represents a program, file, or folder on the computer. It opens the actual item when clicked. A shortcut is a link to an icon or file and provides quick access to it. Deleting an icon removes the actual item, but deleting a shortcut does not delete the original file or program. 5. What are icons? Explain any 2. Icons are small graphical symbols displayed on the desktop that represent programs, files, folders, or system tools. This PC icon allows users to access drives, files, and folders on the computer. Recycle Bin stores deleted files temporarily and allows users to restore them if needed. Icons make it easy to identify and open items quickly. 6. What is an operating system? Give examples. An operating system, OS, is system software that acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. It manages files, memory, hardware devices, and running programs. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work properly. Common examples of operating systems are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Thank you.